In the last CRO video, I gave you this trade right here. It was a CRO price prediction video, and I said as soon as we get to this level, we'll get to exactly here. We did. We wicked out, liquidate all these guys, and then wick down again for a 10% scalp. That was very easy. The question is what will happen right now, and the first thing we want to do is make sure we're very well aligned with all the time frames. So first of all, we want to make sure we understand what the trend is, and quite frankly, we are in an uptrend on the daily chart. The only question is when will this trend stop, and what is happening right now? Because we're seeing some money flow divergence, a low amount of far side divergence on the daily chart. And what I'm looking for is where are the actual liquidations. So when we go to the 30-minute, I'll go here. I want to see the CRO liquidations. We'll go to I think MEXC is good to the weekly, and they're very likely below, above highs, below lows. So basically it's very easy to see. Basically we have a lot of liquidations here above these highs. Shorts have their stop losses here. So basically this level right here is where a lot of liquidations lie. And on the when it comes to longs, we have some liquidations right here and some liquidations right here. So both of these levels are pretty important. And here's what I expect price to do. I expect price to go here or here, and I'll long both of these levels, or I'll short this level. So these are three setups. Then I'm giving you a confirmation that I'll be using is the net longs closing right here. So we want to go here, and we want to make sure we have the longs closing to open shorts, or shorts closing to open longs. You don't want shorts opening, because that way you get some trapped trades, and that's not really a very good idea. You want to make sure you are a little bit safer. It doesn't load right here. It sometimes takes a few minutes to load because there's a lot of data, but this is basically the confirmation I'll be looking for. If you want to follow my trades, especially the meme coin trades, we're up to 175 grand on BLOFIN. Link in description down below to join my Signal chat, and also in the description down below I'll have links for BLOFIN. BLOFIN are currently giving away ROLEX, AIRPODS Pro, $20 future bonds, Nintendo Switch, Apple Vision Pros, and a bunch of other stuff. Check them out in the link in the description down below. See you in the next one. Bye.